Six time for filing the contract with my lord. Lord, the appellant is the wife, my lord.
Huh?
Appellant is the wife, and decree of divorce has been granted in favor of the husband, my lord. Because my lord, more than 15 lakhs amount was due against the husband.
Interim maintenance is not given from what date?
On the Supreme Court,
So he has not settled the amount.
no, husband refused to settle the matter.
Then you file the execution.
That without alimony, learned additional principal just has passed decree of divorce in favor of the husband, lord. One thing,
But you have to look after your wife, no?
lordship,
No, we don't have time to discuss.
lord. One thing, lord. This case, my lord. The last occasion, lord, the respondent has 6 times for filing the counter, but till yet not counter has been filed by the respondent, lord.
Last time itself he has asked for 6 times.
Lord, respondent.
Respondent.
6 time for filing the contract affidavit, my lord. On my lord, 24th 3/23, my lord. For which time was given to the respondent for filing the main case, my lord. The appellant is the wife, my lord.
Huh?
Appellant is the wife, and decree of divorce has been granted in favor of the husband, my lord. Without
Of divorce.
divorce,
Party.
no, uncontested. Without, my lord, consider the evidence of the appellant, wife, my lord, without fulfill the guideline of the Honorable Supreme Court in case of Rajneesh versus Neha, my lord, because, my lord, more than 15 lakhs amount was due against the husband during the pendency of the matrimonial case as in maintenance under Section 24 of the Marriage Act, which was not paid by the husband till judgment, my lord. On Honorable Supreme Court directed the case of Rajneesh versus Neha, even in case of the husband default for payment of the case, he is not liable to grant relief, even though his defense or evidence may be struck up. I filed the petition before the learned court below. His defense may be struck up, but no order was, learned court was.
Interim maintenance is not given from what date?
Lord,
Interim maintenance
Lord,
not given from what date?
Lord, from the 14th,
2014.
Lord, 15 lakhs due.
15 lakhs.
Lord, against that order, my lord, the respondent travel up to Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. Supreme Court says in the meantime you pay the amount 2,50,000 and issue notice to the appellant for reconciliation, my lord. We paid only 2,50,000.
So that matter is still pending before.
No, my lord. The SLP was dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
So he has not settled the amount.
No, husband refused to settle the matter.
Then you file the execution.
No, that is separate matter, my lord. But so far this case is concerned, my lord, divorce case is concerned, my lord. In this case, my lord, without alimony, learned additional principal just has passed decree of divorce in favor of the husband, lord. One thing. Second,
you are happy if a permanent alimony is given.
I'm not to settle the matter because, my lord, marriage was 9 years of.
This matter was referred to mediation.
Lord, one thing, lord, mediation because, my lord,
No, whether this matter was referred to mediation
Honorable Supreme Court.
here in this court.
No.
We will refer the matter to mediation. There is any amicable certificate of permanent alimony.
Before lordship, like this is appeared before this
No,
court.
my lord,
The kindly-
I have been asked by the petitioner, the opposite party, to pray for the full time because his mother is seriously ill and admitted in AIMS Patna. So
All right, it is in Patna only.
Patna AIMS now is the sole person to look after this his mother.
But you have to look after your wife, no?
I am
Mother and wife.
that my lord just early in the morning sent this letter to my friend, so I am to ask to say for pray
We'll
for.
refer the matter to mediation. Go and settle.
My lord, the lordship himself, my lord, give time to settle the matter.
Huh?
Lordship,
No, we don't have time to discuss.
Lord, one thing, my lord, important things are very important, my lord. Lord, marriage was solemnized, in the year 2010, my lord. Before 1 year, my lord, this
Parties are hereby directed to appear before mediation of this court on so and so date. Mediation center of this court on so and so date. for amicable settlement, if any.
Settlement,
3 weeks did.
Lord, the settlement, Lord, only on the point of alimony, Lord, nothing else. Those is, I pray only two things
Go
before.
and approach the mediator.
Lord, but Lordship, I do pray before Lordship. One thing, Lord, ki stigma, which is level by the learned court below was.
Sir, you can't blow hot and cold together. Now, on one hand, you say that permanent alimony is sufficient. At the same time, now you are arguing on merits.
The merits also for cruelty is concerned. Court, learned court below, without considering.
Go and attend before mediation. Give a date and thereafter release this matter after 2 weeks. Mediation के लिए एक डेट दे दो. बाद में
22 चलिए. Mediation का डेट ही 3 weeks है. After 3 weeks.
लिस्ट इट आफ्टर 8 वीक्स कर दीजिए.
8 weeks.